Top 5 Best Tabletop Patio Heaters. Number 5. Bond 50857A Lara TableFire Firebowl. Another nice tabletop fire piece. In most ways I like this one a lot better than the Brian and Danny fire pit above, to be honest. The appearance is roughly identical, save the darker color, and this one provides a much less natural flame, which doesn't look as nice. On the other hand, it provides a much less natural flame, which is more resistant to windy weather and can be tweaked to provide much more heat. Instead of the relatively piddling 2000 BTU, if that the bioethanol-fueled fire pit provided, this propane-powered option gives you a more than respectable 33,000 BTU upper limit, enough to heat a large portion of a home or a large backyard. This performance more than justifies the over double price tag and puts this in the upper echelons of fire pits in general, much less tabletop ones. It's warm, looks alright, the price is not half bad, and it's overall a very good buy to keep your dinner parties warm in the cold weather. Snap this one up if you like the real flame look. Pros. Looks nice enough. Great heat output for such a small fire pit, though it uses large tanks. Safe and easy to use. Not super lightweight, but enough to be portable, and slim enough to be easily stored away if need be. Cons. A little pricey for a fire pit style tabletop heater. Coming in number 4. Hiland HIL-1821. For the traditionalists out there, the AZ Patio Heater's electric tabletop patio heater looks very similar to the propane model. That is until you switch it on, then you notice that vivid infrared glare, rather than the ambient glow of propane. If you are skeptical, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the heat and light an electric heater can provide. First impressions and what's in the box. The tabletop heater arrives well packaged and ready to assemble. Just a few screws are included, which is all that's needed to connect 3 parts together, much easier than some propane heaters. An 8-foot power cord is included, for connection to a 120-volt outlet, with a simple push of the power button bringing near instant heat. At 38 inches tall, it's about twice the size of an ordinary table lamp, but with a shape that could be easy to pick up. Made from stainless steel, it has a durable quality, but the weighted base makes it heavy, and you may not want to move it too often. However, the size is perfect for storing away when the warmer weather arrives. Being infrared, the heat won't travel as much as propane but gives a pleasant warmth if close enough, like sitting under the sunlight. As a bonus, it's rated to be IP55 water resistant, which will keep it safer if you have an unexpected rain shower. Water and electricity don't tend to mix well. An anti-tilt feature is similar to that found on propane models and will switch off the heat if the appliance should fall down or tip over. Warranty. 1 year limited manufacturer's warranty. Pros. Simple and traditional patio heater style design. Solid stainless steel construction for added durability. Provides quality light as well as heat. Can be used indoors or outdoors. 1500 watts of power, features 2 heat settings. Weighted base makes it more stable and less likely to tip over. No propane required. Cons. It's heavy, so not very portable. Infrared heat doesn't heat the air like propane, just the objects within its radius. This AZ tabletop patio heater is the ideal choice if you want a traditional looking model, but without the hassle of propane. The infrared heat provided by this smart tabletop heater will easily keep your guests warm, but in a more environmentally friendly way. Coming in number 3. Hiland HLDS032-GTTHG. For some outdoor parties, an open flame can add an attractive centerpiece to the table. This tabletop patio heater differs in design, offering a stylish pyramid shape, with a flame-like effect enclosed in glass tubes. If you want both warmth and something to focus on, this tabletop glass tube heater is a tasteful addition to your table. First impressions and what's in the box. Arriving fully assembled, styrofoam is packaged around the delicate quartz glass tubes. Just add a propane cylinder and you're ready to go with this ultra-stylish tabletop heater. Made from a stainless steel frame, a hammered bronze finish adds more elegance to the lower half of the unit. Quartz glass tubes are contained behind sturdy steel bars for a simple, yet effective look. At 39 inches high, care should be taken if you have a low patio roof. The 12-inch square base won't take up too much space on a tabletop, but 4 slightly raised legs may not be sturdy enough. It's lightweight, but the shape could make it difficult to move when lit. Portability isn't really an issue, it's unlikely you'll want to risk breaking the quartz glass tubes transporting it. The column provides heat to a radius of about 15 feet, and could be used at ground level for warmth, as long as it's a safe distance from seating. On smaller tables, the pyramid design can actually take up a lot of space, although it's tall enough to freestand too. Due to the design, more heat will go out of the top rather than radiate out of the sides. This heater does get red hot when being used and could ignite any flammables that are close to the burner. It's advisable to allow at least 3 feet of clearance at the sides and a minimum of 2 feet of space above the heater. Warranty: 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Pros: provides a lot of ambience. A stunning centerpiece for any dining table. Standard size 1-pound propane tanks are elegantly hidden in the bottom section. Easy to light with piezo. A simple control dial to adjust the height of flames and heat output. Cons: heat escapes through the top. Complicated ignition system. Quartz glass tubes are somewhat fragile and expensive to replace. This is a simply stunning tabletop patio heater, just don't expect too much heat from it. To have the flames up full for the maximum effect, you will burn through fuel very quickly. But if you're looking for a balance of aesthetics and heating, no other model compares to this AZ patio heater. Coming in number 2. Bali Outdoors Portable Tabletop Patio Heater. If you can't decide between the first 2 options, this tabletop heater from Bali Outdoors offers a great value third alternative. One of the lower priced of the gas-powered tabletop patio heaters we've looked at, it comes in a stunning bronze powder-coated finish. Its simple design will look great on any patio or deck area. First impressions and what's in the box. The Bali Outdoors Tabletop Patio Heater is yet another mushroom-style heater. Standing at 34 inches tall, it is average height compared to other tabletops on the market. It has a steel construction, with an attractive bronze powder-coated finish for extra durability. Simple to assemble, it provides all the parts you need, including a regulator, and takes under an hour to put together according to Bali's own estimates. In addition to a burner safety cage, it also features an oxygen depletion sensor, that cuts out the gas if a lack of oxygen is detected, making it suitable for indoor use. A heavy-weighted plate at the base adds to the stability, with an anti-tilt cut-off switch if it should fall over both offer further safety. A reliable control knob and button ignition mean you should be able to light the heater very quickly in most conditions with a single hand. Warranty: 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Pros: large aluminum reflector hood. Stylish bronze powder coat finish. Weight plate adds extra stability. 34-inch height offers extra heat area radius. Portable, with the 1-pound cylinder being self-contained. Cons: access for propane cylinder can be very tight. Aluminum reflector hood may not be as durable as the steel frame. When you're looking for a more affordable tabletop patio heater, this model from Bali Outdoors offers a stylish alternative. Although the 10,000 BTU burner is one of the highest in the range, just don't expect it to heat too large an area. Coming in number 1. FireSense Propane Tabletop Patio Heater. For some people, a simple stainless steel finish equals sophistication and elegance. However, for others, it can look industrial and cold, not a look you want for a tabletop patio heater. This FireSense offers a choice of a hammered bronze finish in a more compact tabletop heater. First impressions and what's in the box. All the parts you need to construct this FireSense heater arrive securely packed in the box. A stainless steel hood and burner attachment are provided, with a sturdy supply column and a choice of bronze or stainless steel finished base. Also included are all the nuts and bolts you'll need, a regulator and full assembly instructions. Provided with over 20 parts, the assembly of this heater can be slightly overwhelming for the less technically minded. You'll need a couple of adjustable opening wrenches, a pair of split joint pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, and patience, to assemble this product. With its slightly shorter height of 35 inches, it means you are closer to the heat and should feel it faster too. Controls are straightforward, with a single push button for ignition and a rotary knob to adjust output. The unit is small and lightweight, so it can easily be stored in the garage during bad weather. Just ensure it's cooled down first. That's not to say the heater doesn't include safety features. As well as being stable, it has the usual auto shut-off tilt valve, in addition to an oxygen depletion sensor. The reflector hood of this patio heater provides a cone of warmth around the table, for your guests to enjoy. It could make the difference between retreating indoors or staying outside as it gets cooler. Warranty: 1 year limited manufacturer's warranty. Pros: 10,000 BTU provides enough warmth for 4 to 5 persons. Durable stainless steel burner. Bronze finish model is an eye-catching addition to your patio. Reflector hood will redirect heat to those seated around it. Oxygen depletion sensor is an added safety feature. Self-contained disposable propane cylinders are easy to change. Cons: assembly can be time-consuming, with many steps to follow. No option of professional assembly offered. Burns through gas kinda quickly. The extra safety features of this tabletop patio heater may be enough to tempt you. It's very similar to the Napoleon model, but the build quality just doesn't seem to be as high. If you don't want a stainless steel centerpiece on your table, maybe the bronze finish will sway your decision.